Newsline.
Sa ibang tampok na ulat, good news po dahil kinilala ng mababang kapulungan ng Kongreso ang ika-45 anibersaryo ng Jesus is Lord Church Worldwide. Sa House Resolution number 150 ni House Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez, Senior Deputy Speaker Aurelio Gonzales, Majority Leader Manix Dalipe, Senior Majority Leader Sandro Marcos, Minority Leader Marcelino Libanan at mga representante, binati nila ang patuloy na paglago ng JIL Worldwide. Hindi lamang sa 82 probinsya sa mga Pilipinas, kundi pati na rin sa 70 bansa sa buong mundo dahil sa patuloy na pagpapakalat ng salita ng Diyos sa Asia, Europa, Africa, Oceania, Hilagang Amerika at Timog Amerika o Amerika. Ayon pa sa resolusyon, pinahahalagahan ng gobyerno ang natatanging ambag na ito ng JIL. Gaganapin ang ika-45 anibersaryo ng JIL sa susunod na Sabado sa Luneta Park sa lungsod ng Maynila.
I move that we consider House Resolution 1256. For this purpose, may I request the Secretary General be directed to read the title of the said resolution.
The Secretary General is directed to read the title of the resolution.
House Resolution 1256, a resolution congratulating and commending the Jesus is Lord Church worldwide for 45 remarkable years of successful transformational ministry in Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and in more than 70 nations around the world.
Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move for the adoption of House Resolution 1256 in consolidation with House Resolution 1281.
Those who are in favor for the adoption of House Resolution 1256 say aye. Those who are against say nay. The ayes have it. House Resolution 1256 is therefore adopted. Majority Leader.
Live TV Radio.
Live TV Radio.
Live TV Radio.